Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to see your Google account login device history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google name. Then proceed to your Google account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to search Google account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply type in security from the search right here. Then what you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on devices. Then you'll be taken to all your devices login history right here. Now here, you can simply review and check unrecognized devices that you can simply remove out of your login history on your Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see your login history on your Google account with just your mobile device. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.